Hello, knowledge seeker. Let's get started on our quest for knowledge, and remember, keep your mind fueled.
Becoming a professional stocks trader involves a systematic approach and continuous learning. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Education. Start by learning the basics of the stock market, including terminology, trading strategies, and fundamental and technical analysis. There are numerous online courses, books, and resources available for beginners. 2. Develop a trading plan. Define your trading goals, risk tolerance, and preferred trading style: day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing. Create a detailed trading plan outlining your entry and exit strategies, position sizing, and risk management rules. 3. Paper trading. Practice trading without risking real money by using a simulated trading platform. This helps you test your strategies and gain confidence before trading with real capital. 4. Choose a broker. Select a reputable brokerage platform that suits your trading needs, considering factors such as commissions, fees, trading tools, and customer support. 5. Start small. Begin trading with a small amount of capital that you can afford to lose. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your position sizes. 6. Continuous learning. Stay updated with market news, economic indicators, and company earnings reports. Continuously refine your trading strategies and adapt to changing market conditions. 7. Risk management. Implement strict risk management techniques to protect your capital, such as setting stop-loss orders, diversifying your portfolio, and avoiding over-leveraging. 8. Emotional control. Develop the discipline to stick to your trading plan and avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Keep your emotions in check, whether you're experiencing euphoria from gains or anxiety from losses. 9. Review and adapt. Regularly review your trading performance and analyze your trades to identify strengths and weaknesses. Adjust your strategies accordingly to improve your results over time. 10. Seek mentorship and community. Surround yourself with experienced traders, join online forums or trading communities, and consider finding a mentor who can provide guidance and support as you progress in your trading journey. Remember that becoming a professional stocks trader takes time, dedication, and continuous effort. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and never stop learning.
Please subscribe our channel and hit the like button.